I am Manora Shinde, a health manifestation coach. Do you want to know how to manifest your weight loss of 3 kgs in just 30 days? Today I will teach you how to manifest your weight loss using 10-minute health meditation. Example, suppose you want to reduce your weight from 65 to 62 kg in 30 days. Take a paper and draw 6 frames like this. And after all the informations are filled up, stick the paper in your bedroom and watch the paper several times during the day. Frame number 1. Write your name, put today's weight and today's date and put a current picture. Frame 2. Close your eyes and take 10 long breaths. After 10 long breaths is completed, visualize for 5 minutes how you will feel if you have achieved 62 kg weight today. Probably you will feel very happy, you become energetic, active and lighter, and you are doing all the work by yourself without anybody's help. You bought a new dress with one size lesser and you wore it up and you stood in front of mirror and seeing and feeling very happy, being a slim person, version 2. So now after 5 minutes of visualization, slowly open your eyes, write down on frame 2 whatever you visualized. Now frame 3. Close your eyes and again take 10 long breaths. After 10 long breaths is completed, visualize what actions you have taken to achieve 62 kg weight. Imagine that you had slept for 8 hours and woke up at 5 a.m. every day. After wake up, you express gratitude to God for achieving 62 kg weight today, and you got ready and you are doing physical exercise at home for 30 minutes with the music on. You felt yourself happy. Then step number 3, going for walking for 30 minutes. You pamper yourself and appreciate yourself. Reduced your food intake by 10% and you stopped all maida items. You became energetic. 6. You increased your water intake. For every 20 kg weight, you should take 1 liter. And you drank the water using a sipper bottle. You felt very happy. So at the end of 5 minutes of visualization, slowly open your eyes, write down in frame 3 whatever you visualized. Now create a table for 30 days and enter items 1 to 6 and tick mark every day. Frame 4. Get up early at 5 a.m. Take action as given in frame 2 and 3 and tick mark the task completed. Frame 5. Repeat the same process from day 1 to day 30 by taking fresh paper and drawing the frame and doing the task for 30 days without any break. Frame 6. Believe that you have achieved a 62 kg weight, version 2 of yourself. Put picture of this if you have any and see how you feel. Hope this video will help you to practice meditation and achieve your quick results. If you want to know more information, ping me up at 7353915171. Thank you.